In this video, I will show how to fix request timed out on Windows 11 10 H or 7. Search CMD. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here type some command lines. First one, ipconfig /release. Press enter. Second command line, ipconfig /flush DNS. Now press enter. Now here type ipconfig /renew. Press enter. Now wait for a few seconds. Now type here netsh int space IP space set space DNS. Press enter. Now here type netsh winsock set, then press enter. So one by one type this command line. I will give in description my website link, so you will get all command line from there. Just copy and paste one by one here. After that, close, then restart your system. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Comment this method work for you or not.